Well, good evening everyone. Welcome to the shop. Went to take a load of firewood over to my son's house and a trailer broke down. So I thought I'd bring you along and show you what we got to do to get this fixed. So I'll take you inside. The lighting's not very good. I've got a work light set up. Hopefully that'll be good enough. So come on along and we'll get this thing taken care of. All right, I got the trailer pulled in on this side of the shop. And got a light on. Here's seems to be the issue. I don't think that's supposed to quite look like that. And looks like there's a little bit too much play in that bearing for me. So I'll grab some tools and we'll start tearing this thing down. All right, I got you on the tripod there. So first off, there's a cotter key here on the outside. We'll just get that pried up out of there, just like that. Then that castle nut needs to come off. Yeah, I was going to go through and do all my trailer bearings this year in the summer, because it's been, I hate to say it, but it's been, well, it was before I moved back to the valley, and I've been back to the valley for 17 years, so it's probably been 19 years since I did the wheel bearings on this. I did it just before we moved up here. So, all right, that should do it. That'll come off. Inside bearing is pretty much gone. There's the inside race right there. And it's still moving. I don't know if I can get it off or not. There we go. Boy, I don't know. That is chewed up. Well, diesel or something to clean that off with. Be right back. All right, let's see if we can get this cleaned up. Boy, by all the rust in here, I would bet that back seal has been chewed out of there for quite some time. It probably got a bunch of road grit and stuff in that back bearing and just chewed it up. So. Well, it's not pretty, but Boy, that looks like it's gonna beat that bearing around. The seal looks pretty good. It's rough, got some rust on it. I think I can take some emery paper and clean that up. So let's go ahead and we'll take that spindle in and take the tire off, and we'll check that spindle out. All right, got that noisy compressor off. So, got the tire off. Looks like it pulled a stud. I'll have to get that put back in there. All right. Kind of curious to see what that back bearing looks like, so we'll slip this in the vise here. Okay, looks like part of the seal is coming out. Okay, that's what's left of the seal. Well, shop is cold. It's just about supper time, and so I didn't build a fire. Just barely over freezing in here. Boy, that baby, oh, there it looks like it's moving a little. Just keep working our way around here. All right, there's the inside race, the outside of the back race, I guess I should say. Okay, now we'll see if we can pop that front race out. Huh. I don't know what that is. Maybe a spacer? Huh. Okay, but that's the outside of the front race. All right. And the hub looks okay. Let's see where it, I don't know if you guys can see it or not. I don't have a good light out here. Anyway, there's a groove where when it fell back, it dropped down, and right behind the bearing, it looks like it wore a groove in it. I'll have to go out. This little piece here has kind of got me baffled. I hope it's not part of the where the seal goes on. Just razor sharp. I don't know. Oh, I bet it's part of the I was thinking it might be part of the bearing cage. Could be. Could be. It's hard to say. It could be part of the seal. It's been chewed up. That's what it is. Right there, it's the outer part of that seal that just fell into the wheel. Because that's razor sharp too. All right. Well, I'm going to go and get some dinner. And get some numbers. I don't think I can get any numbers off these bearings. Let me throw it over here on the wire brush. Anything will come out. Well, there's part of a number on there. I don't know if I can clean that up enough to get it or not. Might have to take the bearings off the other side. Probably ought to replace them anyway, and just match them with the other side of the looks like they might be the same bearing. Probably got a different inside diameter, but the outside seems to be the same. All right, well, we'll fuss with it another day when it's a little warmer, and then we'll get back with it. So we'll continue this another day.